This is an international project, so we have NASA in the United States, the Canadian Space Agency from Canada, and the European Space Agency, which includes contributions from quite a few different countries. The hexagonal mirror segments were built in several places in the United States with final assembly in Boulder, Colorado. Made of a chemical element called beryllium because it's lightweight, strong, and will hold its shape in the cold vacuum of space. There's an extremely thin layer of gold on top. Gold is used because it's a good reflector of infrared light. The mirror segments were shipped to Greenbelt, Maryland to integrate with the telescope. In Huntsville, Alabama, they started building the Sunshield layers and it was then shipped to Redondo Beach, California. The Sunshield needs to fold up small enough to fit inside the rocket. The very top parts of the telescope, the OTE and ISIM, these were both built in Greenbelt, Maryland at the NASA Goddard Space Flight Center. Here it is with just the structure. You can see the hexagon shapes where the mirrors will go. They used a giant robotic arm to do all of the heavy lifting. It would carefully lift up the mirror segments and delicately place them on the frame. This took about 3 months to install every single mirror. Then they hoisted the clean room workers up and carefully removed the black protective covers. It's very important to keep these mirrors in prime condition, no scratches or contaminants that could distort the images. Inside of the clean room, they also installed the scientific instruments, the ISIM, and the OTE.